Welcome to Recipe or Disaster. Today we're going to be reviewing a recipe from TasteBetterFromScratch.com.
It's going to be red pepper tortellini pasta.
Hit the like button, subscribe down below, and hit the bell icon so you get all the videos.
Ding ding! So for this recipe, you're going to need 10 ounces of tortellini pasta,
3 tablespoons of butter,
1 small onion chopped,
3 cloves of garlic,
2 large red bell peppers that are going to be cut in half, seeded, and membrane removed.
1 cup of low sodium chicken broth,
I got salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
1/2 cup heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream!
2 cups fresh spinach leaves.
1/2 cup freshly grated Parmesan.
And 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley.
For garnish. Alright, those are our ingredients. Let's get cooking.
First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cook that pasta per the directions on the package.
A star is born.
Ta-da!
You're a shining star. Alright, so we've got some water boiling on the stove. We're gonna cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package.
We're also going to go ahead and put these beautiful red bell peppers in the broiler, get them nice and black, and then we'll put them in a plastic bag to let them steam. So about 10 minutes in the broiler, 10 minutes in the bag, and then we'll see you soon.
Alright, let's do it.
What kind of pasta do reptiles eat? Tortellini! Blah! Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright, our tortellinis are cooked and we have rinsed them in cold water per the instructions. We're going to go ahead and set those aside for now. Alright, red peppers are blackened and steamy.
We're gonna go ahead and throw them in this plastic bag, close the top, so that way they can steam up a bit and get softer.
Right. Don't try this at home, kids.
And we're gonna go ahead and set those aside. So in the meantime, while those are steaming, we're gonna go ahead and melt the butter and saute some garlic and onion.
Alright, so the onions and the garlic are sauteed. We're going to transfer those over to this baby right here. Alright, so we're going to take these bell peppers out of the bag here. Just going to use the bag to do my business. Any weird ideas? Make that kind of channel. Alright, we're going to peel off the skins, which should, in theory, peel off easily.
So while he's pulling off the skins, I'm gonna go ahead and chop and put them in the food processor. It smells fantastic!
I bet it does.
So now that we have our bell peppers, our onions, and our garlic all in the food processor, we're just gonna go ahead and blend.
Alright, now that this mixture is smooth, we're going to go ahead and pop that into our skillet on medium heat and cook the crap out of it.
We are also going to add our chicken broth and season to taste.
Yes.
So now we just need to stir in the cream, the spinach, the noodles, and the Parmesan.
Alright, we got a big old plate of tortellini soup here. The sauce is super, super thin. Like, it is soup. Problem is that the recipe doesn't say how long to cook it.
So personally, I make a lot of Alfredo dishes. I would have added the cheese in before the noodles, let that soak in, get a little thicker, just so that way it's more saucy like pasta.
Right, with the pasta sauce, you think of a thicker sauce.
Exactly.
I don't know if you guys can see this. It might be kind of hard from the camera angle, but literally it's soup.
Soup.
We're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit extra Parmesan. We actually added in all the Parmesan. So, and it still didn't thicken up. That's pretty bad. Alright, let's try this.
Okay, so I like the flavor, but I do think, like I said, thicker sauce. If I was to remake it, I would definitely make it more into like a bell pepper Alfredo type sauce. You have the cream, you have the Parmesan in there.
Yeah, it was
Great.
already heading that way towards Alfredo.
Right. So I was expecting a thicker sauce, not really a soup.
It's not terrible by any means. The flavor it's okay, but for me, that's all it is okay. Overall, I'm gonna give it a meh.
I like it.
Well, when it comes to simplicity, making the dish, wasn't too bad.
The longest thing is roasting the bell peppers, which really don't take that long. So it's pretty easy.
As far as the cost is concerned, it was moderate range. I mean, the recipe says that it's gonna have 4 servings to it. I highly doubt you're gonna feed 4 adults with this amount of pasta. It's only 10 ounces of pasta.
I like it.
Well, there you have it. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching.
Make sure you like and subscribe to our videos. We're going to be testing out more dishes. Also, if you have any suggestions for us to try, please make sure you put them down in the comment section below. That way we can make sure to give you a shout out for your recipe.
All right, everybody take care. We'll see you next time.